-4. It was -7 at night. So the car has some problem. No glow plugs. Only one working. Only one. So now we will start this car. It's not easy. You will see. I will start with I think 10 or 15 attempts, but will no cranking a lot of time. Just little stop, little stop, little stop. I want to warm up the cylinders, and after that it will start. Let's go. You see what time is it now? So we will check how it will take, how long it will take. Okay, first start. Stop. No need more. Just like this. Waiting for a few minutes. Again. Stop. Only one plug, glow plug, is working. I ordered, I'm waiting, but need to drive. Let's do twice switch and start. Stop. And most important note, must have very strong battery. Double switch, clutch, and start. Not long time. Stop. Waiting. Few minutes. Once again, double switch. Start. Stop. Double switch. Not enough. Waiting few minutes. Someone has start. Neighborhood. It's petrol, but this is diesel. Double switch. Stop. When I will hear big, but now I heard just one cylinder, big, one time. I need to stop because the battery will low. The starter motor can be broken. Just for this start, when we do this, the cylinder inside is warm up, and it will start. Double switch. Stop. Waiting for a few minutes. Double switch. Stop. Little better, but need to wait. Yeah. Still not enough. You heard? Big, and it's gone. Okay. Let's do 3 times switch. We have only one glow plug. Working. Start. Yeah! It stopped. Okay, let's little wait. But it once, twice, third. Okay, I will put also gas. No. Okay, let's wait. But it started and stopped. I might to put gas and I not did it. Okay. Once, 2, 3, start. No. Ay. I missed that moment. Let's little wait few minutes. Yes. 1 minute. Or less. Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 3. No. Let's wait. You see, it's left 8 minutes of starting the engine and it's still not start. Okay. We not hurry up. We need to drive. If I will hurry up, we'll know something good. Again. 1, 2, 3. Start. Stop. Not enough. But it was. One moment it was started. Okay. Let's wait. And 3. Yes. Gas. Oh, yes. Yeah, you see, it's working. Let's check how much battery. What the voltage? Yeah, it's working, all good. Yes, yes, yes. No gas, no gas. On the idle, on the idle. It was, oh, you see how much? About 10-12 minutes. But we started with only one glow plug. Yeah. I will change the glow plug and we will check how it starts with the 4 glow plugs. Yeah.